Hey friends, so when if you have once you've decided of restarting your career after a break, there are two options before you. Either you go back to your previous assignment that you were doing before the break, or you look for something new in the similar field or something new that you want to do. So something new if you want to do could should be in the area which you're passionate about, something which you have interest in. And going back to the same organization, similar profile may not always be possible because of the changed requirement and changed situation at your end itself. So here I want to give you those 10 options, 10 best jobs in 2021 which you can look out for. Okay, so first one is blogging. So blogging itself is becoming a big thing today. You can, if you have interest in writing, if you can create content, you can do blogging for anything, whether it is for your food, for travel, for any product, or for educational topics, anything that you want to blog. There's so many blogging sites today. That could be one option you can look for. Then YouTuber. So if you like to create the content, if you have the talent, you can have make your own YouTube channel. Or if not so, you could assist any YouTuber in the video editing or in content writing for their YouTube. So these are the kind of these are kind of requirements which have emerged lately, post pandemic, in a very big scale, and it has got a lot of scope and a lot of earning potential today. Besides this, you can go for sales and marketing. And or if you're good in communicating, if you're able to connect with people, if you're able to convince people, you can also do the sales and marketing while you're at home. You can do it as a part-time assignment and you can earn incentives. Then there are some of the jobs into HR, where they would always prefer a woman compared to a man, because of the sense of judgment and the problem solving ability, and the patience, some of the characteristics women bring along with them in the work. Similarly, journalism also have a lot of scope for women, and it has been proved by research that this is an emerging and a much in demand profession in 2021. Then is designing. So designing could be whether it's a fashion designing, jewelry designing, web designing, graphic designing. So designing has got a lot of scope. It is emerged as one of the uh, highest. You can earn very good amount of money, either being working as a designer with an organization, or you can take up projects and do freelancing. Both the ways, this has a lot of scope, and it is something which you can carry on throughout your life. You can make a great career out of this designing. So if you are not educated in this field, maybe you would want to do some courses and get into this field. Okay, besides this, fitness. Now fitness industry has lot of awareness is there in people about the fitness. So if you are somebody who is interested in this field, then either as a yoga instructor, zumba instructor, or somebody who has a gym, or somebody who you if you are like a nutritionist. So these kind of profession, these kind of these kind of options are also something which are much in demand, and which everybody is so much aware of their health and they want to improve their health. So it can be a really a lucrative profession in the long run for you. Then again, as you know, because of this pandemic and the awareness created and the lot of demand for the healthcare professionals, and similarly in the medical field, there is a lot of demand for doctor, nurse, and healthcare professionals. So you can see, if you have a qualification in a similar field, maybe that is one thing which you would want to uh, go back to or restart from there if you have the required qualification for that field. So these are some of the options I thought I should place in front of you, so that if you are looking for doing something but you do not know where to start, what to do, maybe try and explore these options. Because these options that I've talked about, these are like something which is growing in scope every day, and this can be done as a part of an organization, this can be done as a freelancer, and this is something so you can find where is your interest out of this, which is that which attracts you the most. And these are like emerging professions. And also software developer. So software, like every all the time, it is an emerging field and it's already having a lot of scope. So if you're a software developer, so even then you would have the option to work from home. Yes, one more thing which is very important, because of these online classes today, a lot of edutech companies are doing great in the market. So a lot of options if you are a teacher, if you can teach online, if you have interest in academics. So this has also got a lot of scope into teaching and into academics. So look for what is that which interests you, any of these options that can work for you. Thank you.